My mother. My mother's name is. You will write here your mother's name. इथं तुमच्या आईचं नाव लिहा. She is looking very beautiful. She gets up early in the morning. She takes care of each and every member of our family. She keeps our house clean and beautiful. She helps to do my homework. She is my best friend. She is very hard working. She teaches us good manners and moral values. I love my mother so much and hope she lives very long. So you will write this essay in your English notebook. हा निबंध तुम्ही तुमच्या वहीमध्ये लिहा आणि मी ज्या पद्धतीने वाचला आहे त्या पद्धतीने वाचण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. थँक्यू.